Okay, tayo bibili ng ice cream at burger. Okay. Dito tayo sa In-N-Out. So yan lang yung ano doon. Take ng order.
Ayan mo na yung aircon, Dad. Gabi na eh. Oh, hi. Can I have one double? No spread, but just add ketchup and mustard.
Ketchup mustard, you got it.
And one double, no onions. What is a 3x1? 3x1.
3x1, so that's gonna be 3 meat and 1 cheese.
Okay. So can I have 3x1
Yeah, of course.
with light tomato and whole grilled onion?
You got it.
And 2 cheeseburger
2 cheeseburgers.
uh-huh. With grilled onion. And 3 fries. Anong drinks yung gusto mo? You have ice cream sundae?
We have milkshakes. Do you want to try one of those?
Okay.
Have
You want
vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry.
strawberry or
Chocolate.
Chocolate?
That's all.
This one? You got it. So it's gonna be 2 cheeseburgers with grilled onion. The double, no spread, ketchup mustard instead with no onion. A double, no onion. A 3x1 light tomato whole grilled onion. 3 fries and then that chocolate shake.
3x1. That's new? 3x1?
So
3
usually
patties? Is it 3 patties?
Yeah, so it would be 3 patties and just 1
Clean
cheese.
it.
So you can do it up to 4 if you'd like.
Really?
Yeah, you can do it
Damn!
up to 4
You can eat that one too?
I mean, I've had it before, but I mean, it's usually when I'm like super hungry.
The kids is like,
Usually I just keep it to a double single or a 3x1. Like
Yeah.
that,
Wow.
like that
Pink.
one.
Okay, that's
Yeah, 'cause I
all.
don't like the cheese too much, but you guys want it for the car by any chance or to go?
To go.
You got it. Total's gonna be 40.35 for
Thank
the
you.
guys.
Thank
Yes, have a
you.
good one.
alright, ito. 3x1 pa ako. So pwede pa lang 4x1 din. Kanina yan? Shoot, 3x1. O dito sa ano, sa drive-thru ng In-N-Out, pwede kayong mag-request ng kahit ilang patties.
May bayad, syempre. Ibang bayad
O syempre ibang bayad, syempre. 3x1. So tatlong patties. Tapos pwede daw 4. So kahit ilan sabi niya? Okay, so tingin na ako. Diba? Ito yung mga prices. Yan. Good.
Don't put too close.
ba? Sabi ko,
Yeah.
you're talking to me, right? You're talking to me, okay. Alright, yeah.
Nadi parang eng-eng.
She chops a woman up into pieces. She saves them, okay? And she starts
Hindi,
making
kala ko nagtitake siya ng
cakes
order.
out of this
Kanina siya
woman's
nagtitake ng order.
body.
Just
Now she
sa
takes
headset.
these cakes
Thank you.
and she serves them to the people in the community. When people come in to see her, she sits down, she serves the cakes to them. She even ate the cakes herself and fed them to her.
Yeah, Ace. Huh? Yeah, we're already done.
Baka
Yeah.
pwede mo pang i-orderan. Dito.
She serves the cakes to them. She even ate the cakes herself and fed them to her oldest son. So at this point, she's like, wow, I got away with this. She had gotten all that woman's money and she was spending money like crazy. And then the next victim comes into her shop. This woman tells Leonardo basically that she is looking for a better job. She's depressed. She wants to make more money. She wants to live a better life.
Yeah.
Leonardo told her that she can help her.
Any ketchup?
Just have
Yep,
to
Yes.
please. And then can you give us 6 spread?
same thing as
Spread?
the first
How
one.
many?
She was
6.
so overwhelmed. She was
Yeah.
going to be getting this amazing job in another town, and that she needed to bring her the money, and she had to write letters to all of her family members saying that she was moved on, she was happy, and that she didn't need to see them anymore. When the woman followed all of
Okay,
her
dahil
steps,
mainit.
just like the first one did, she
Check tayo.
came back. She was served a glass of wine that had the poison in it as well. Same exact thing. She falls out. And she did everything the same except for this woman, she saved the fat. Now back then it was not uncommon to use like pig fat and stuff like that to make soaps and candles and stuff. And so Leonardo decided that she was going to take the woman's money like she did. She was going to save them for the cookies this time and cakes and different kind of sweets. But this time she used the fat to make soaps, candles. She added perfume to the different soaps and stuff. So like she was burning human candles, you guys. Like, this is a true story, okay? A true story. Soaps, basically human soaps. Can you just imagine? You're gonna go in there and you're like, oh my gosh, this candle smells so amazing. Like, oh my gosh, this bar soap. You're on me.
This is also Joe Miller, Ellie. Daddy home?
No.
What's your name? How old are you?
9 months.
Good. Can I talk to him?
He's a baby.
Hey, what is his mom's name? Is it Emily?
She's there now. Double, and then a 3x1.
Mommy and Daddy.
Where'd they go?
Sure.
So your daddy.
Guys, ketchup and spread. Thank you.
What's your dad's name?
Okay?
Oh, that's good.
Wala?
What's the number? Just press.
Okay, that's it. Babush.